Nearly 60% of people say long holds and wait times are the most frustrating part of dealing with support teams. That's not just annoying, it's a problem that drains time and slows productivity. Christian Huete, president at Crescent Tech, puts it simply: effective IT support means more than fixing problems quickly. The goal is to build a seamless experience for employees and customers alike. So, how do you create that seamless experience? It starts with your IT help desk. First, you need the right ticketing system, one that organizes, prioritizes, and automates tasks so your team can focus on real issues, not busy work. Then, create a clear service catalog. It sets expectations and helps users request the right help without clogging up your system. Self-service is also key. With 81% of users trying to fix issues on their own, a strong knowledge base can cut ticket volume fast. Beyond tools, culture matters. Build a team that's proactive, not just reactive. Hire techs who communicate clearly and stay sharp with ongoing training. And don't forget staffing. Too few people leads to delays, too many wastes resources. Use data to find the right balance. Want smoother operations? Streamline workflows. Set clear routing, escalation, and priority rules. Use analytics to spot trends and fix root problems. Automate repetitive tasks and deploy chatbots for common requests. Feedback drives all of this. Regular input from your team and users helps shape smarter support. And metrics like first contact resolution and ticket escalation rate give you the full picture. Read the full article now on our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist so you never miss out on smarter IT strategies.